Hi everyone. Today we are talking about one of my favorite indoor plant. You can call it drama queen or nut plant because of its nut-like appearance. And that is Fittonia or Fittonia albivenis. Hi, I am Ananya and you are watching My Planet. Okay, so its nerve-like appearance give you perfections of each leaves of Fittonia, that is perfect shape with white veins. It's a slow-growing rambler fit for your balcony and terrariums. Talking about its heights, it's typically between 3 to 6 inch and it very rare to bloom with flower in Fittonia, and it does occasionally bloom with insignificant reddish and yellow white spike. Let's talking about soil requirements. Okay, so most important thing you should remember when you are planting a Fittonia, it prefer high humidity and moisture but well drained soil. So you have to choose the material that would not allow the excess water but at the same time retain some moisture also. So here coco peat is a good choice, but you can also use perlite too. So what is perlite? It is nothing but mixture of volcanic glasses that is amorphous in nature that hold water for longer time. So here we are using coco peat, sand and organic manure. So sand that help in airflow and improve the drainage, and coco peat that retain the moisture, and for the organic manure that gives the nutrient which help to grow the plant. So just mix them, and Fittonia requires regular watering and misting. Pruning should be done to keep the plant full and bushy. You can just add some amount of fertilizer after a month of repotting. Nut plant is prone to collapse when soil becomes dry, and if you want to quick recover, keep the plant on water directly and it will eventually look healthier. Talking about light and temperature requirement. So Fittonia prefer indirect and shady light. If you keep Fittonia for a longer time in direct sunlight, so the edge of the leaves will burn and become crisp and discolored. Fittonia prefers high humidity level. You can just boost the humidity with more mixing or use a humidifier. So here are some benefits of Fittonia. So Fittonia purifies indoor air by removing harmful toxins and air pollutant. It also beautifies your home and adding a gorgeous touch and greenery to your interior. So you can just remember these following points before buying a Fittonia. Number 1, indirect and shady light. Number 2, well draining soil. Number 3, high humidity and temperature about 60 degree Fahrenheit. Number 4, fertilizer once in a month. Number 5, repotting should be done once or twice a year in spring. So that's all about today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and keep growing plant, keep our earth green and be happy. Bye bye.